guys, it's your girl Matt Cox with Maccouture Crafting, and today we are talking about none other than the diagonal seam tape. Oh my goodness, guys, I get so many questions about that tape. Whenever I am sewing, I'll talk about Ride the Red, which is right down center. If you are sewing any kind of half square rectangles, half square triangles, anything where you want to try to keep the 1/4 inch line, if you want to try to keep steady, you want to try to keep consistent. There we go. There's the word. If you'd like to try to keep consistent, this is your jam. This tape, it seems like it's going to last forever. I was able to share some. I have been able to, I don't use it. I don't change it very often. Like, it's a little roll of tape. Once you put it down, it stays on there. Every now and then I need to freshen it up because I am moving fabric and sometimes the edges will lift up. But as you've seen in my most recent video, it's probably time to freshen it up a little bit. The way that I put it on is I put mine all the way through, actually, under the needle. So that way I know that it's lined up. I try to use some rulers and then I just rip off whatever is in front of those feed dogs so that the feed dogs can move smoothly. But when I tell you that tape has been a saver, and it's not difficult to install, it's not difficult to get straight, and it's on my most used sewing machine. I don't have it on Prince Charming, but I'll probably put it on Prince Charming at some point. Prince Charming is the M7. I don't know if we've introduced him to you yet, but we will. But it's definitely on IO. You see me use it all the time. And I have it on the actual machine, not on the table that goes around IO, because I don't use a table for whatever reason. It's just on my actual sewing machine, but I love it. I use it all the time, guys. And if you stay just to the left, just to the left of that blue line, you're going to get your scant 1/4 inch. Just to the left. Don't ride the blue, but just stay just on the inside. You'll get a beautiful scant 1/4 inch. And I just love it. You guys love it. You guys ask me about it. Well, here is where you can find it. And I will check you guys on the next one. All right. Bye-bye.